Imagine a jungle stream, its emerald waters gliding between banks thick with vibrant greenery. Shafts of sunlight filter through the leaves, illuminating the crystal surface. Over this tranquil scene, butterflies drift and swirl, their wings flashing bright blues, yellows, and oranges. Each delicate flutter sends ripples of color across the water, creating a living mosaic of motion and reflection. The soft hum of the jungle and the gentle splash of wings meeting water create a moment of pure serenity, where nature's beauty and calm converge in a breathtaking display.